Welcome to the course contents of software testing. Introducing Kickstart's software testing program, your gateway to mastering the art of ensuring flawless software performance. Python programming covers syntax, data structures, libraries, and frameworks, enabling efficient development of applications, automation, and data analysis. Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, used for testing web applications across different browsers and platforms. Functional testing verifies that software functions correctly according to specified requirements, focusing on user interactions and system behavior. Framework creation using Java involves designing a reusable set of libraries and guidelines to streamline and standardize the development and testing of software applications. Git is a version control system for tracking code changes. GitHub is a platform for hosting and collaborating on Git repositories. Docker is a platform for developing, shipping, and running applications in lightweight, portable containers, enabling efficient deployment and scaling. SQL, Structured Query Language, is a programming language used for managing and querying relational databases to retrieve and manipulate data. Job opportunities include software tester, manual tester, automation tester, test analyst, and QA tester, each specializing in testing software applications. Join now Kickstart's software testing program, where precision meets innovation. Enroll today and start your journey toward excellence.